This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be another episode of Trading Essentials. In today's episode, we will be discussing position sizing and trading scalability. So let's say that you have already invested in your education, you've been paper trading for a while to fine tune the strategies that you've learned, and now you are ready to fund your account. So, how can you begin your trading journey in a safe and efficient manner? So this would be my recommendation. So now that you have funded your account, I recommend starting out with a very small position size. So what you can do is you can begin by trading with 50 shares. Let's say that those 50 shares are helping you to achieve a $20 gain or $20 of profit a day. All right, so you have now made $20 in one day. Over a course of a week, you have now made $100. Over a course of a month, you have now made $400 a month. Now, I don't recommend having monetary goals because sometimes that can cause unnecessary stress and pressure whenever you're trading. So what I recommend is that you stick to your trade plan and you're just making sure that your risk reward ratio makes sense. So these are just random values that I've selected, but again, let's just say that those 50 shares allow you to make $20 a day based on your trade plan. That's going to get you to $100 a week, which then equates to $400 a month. So let's say you've been trading those 50 shares for a while, you have confidence, now you can increase your position size. Let's say you increase your position size to 100 shares now, and maybe those 100 shares allow you to pull $50 of profit a day from the stock market. So now you are looking at $250 a week. And after 1 month of making $50 a day trading, you are now at $1,000 per month. $1,000 a month. So the question becomes, what can you do with an additional $1,000 a month? Maybe there are some bills that you may have, maybe some medical bills and other expenses, whatever they may be. And also maybe you're going to be able to add some money to your savings account, etc. Whatever you plan to do with your money, that's up to you. But this is just again showing you that trading is scalable, and I'm sure that you've seen people on TV or on the internet where they're making thousands of dollars a day trading. Now, while that is possible, that should not be your goal whenever you are new to the stock market and just beginning your trading journey. Your goal at the very beginning should really be to make sure that you are managing your risk, preserving your capital by cutting your losing trades quickly, and then following your trade plan and making sure the risk reward ratio makes sense. The money will come later. As long as you have a solid trade plan, the money will follow. Okay? So let's step it up one more notch here. Let's say that you have gained your confidence, 100 shares. You've been trading with 100 shares. That's been going well. So now maybe you increase your position size to 200 shares. And let's say that those 200 shares that you are trading with are now giving you the opportunity to pull $100 a day on average, which then equates to $500 a week and $2,000 per month. Okay, so again, these are just examples of how you can scale up as you gain more confidence and as you gain more experience. So again, with 50 shares, you can pull maybe on average $20 a day from the stock market. With 100 share lots, maybe you can pull $50 a day on average from the stock market. And then 200 shares, 200 share lots, maybe you can pull $100 a day from the stock market. So you can see that these small gains, these small wins can certainly add up. Depending on your lifestyle, this could be a big help for you. I don't know your personal lifestyle, I don't know your financial goals, etc. But by slowly increasing your position size, you can begin to pull more profit from the stock market. But my recommendation is to start out small. And as you gain the confidence and more experience, you can begin to increase your position size. And trading is completely scalable, it's completely customizable. So you can kind of tweak this and make it your own, but this is just an example of how you can begin with position sizing whenever you are new to the stock market. And just remember that you don't need to make thousands of dollars a day in order to be successful trading. You really don't need to make thousands of dollars a day. Again, $100 a day, it may not sound like a lot, but I mean, $100, I'm not saying that you're having to sit at your computer for hours. I mean, you can make a trade. And I mean, you can really make a couple of trades in 30 minutes or less. It really just depends on the volatility of the stocks. But it is possible to pull $100 or $200 from the stock market in 30 minutes or so. And the good news is an 8-hour shift is not required, but you have to have a strategy and a plan in place in order to be able to do so. So again, don't get overwhelmed, and you may want to consider not starting out with monetary goals. I think that sometimes it can be a distraction, and it can also give you extra stress, which you really don't need whenever you are first starting out in the stock market. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Trading Essentials. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.